Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, we will learn how you can connect your Google Drive to your Ubuntu operating system. In order to do that, let's click on this button at the bottom left corner, which says Show Applications, and click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you will see this window, and at the left hand side, there would be an option Online Accounts. You need to click on that, and then you will see the option Google at the right hand side. So click on Google. Now it will ask you to enter your Gmail email. So type your Gmail email address. And click next. Let's type your password. And click next. Click on Allow at the bottom. Now from here you can select which option you want. I will be just syncing the files because I just need files. I don't need photos and mail and all those things. So I will just disable them. If you want, you can leave all of them enabled and simply close this. Now you can close this online accounts window also. And if you click on files, you will see option for your Google Drive at the left hand side. It will show your email, but if you click on it, it will show you the files you have in your drive. There would be an option. So if you double click on that, it will show you the files you have in your Google Drive. So I have only these many files in my Google Drive, and I can see them. I can download them if I want. I can open and edit them. So that's how you can sync your Google Drive with your Ubuntu operating system using an inbuilt feature. There are several other ways also, but we'll be talking about them in a different video. So please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. You can also visit my website if you want an article on this. I'll be giving you the link in the description. And thank you once again. You have a great day. Bye-bye.